How to fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix we couldn't verify your country error on YouTube Premium. If you are facing this issue, then there are several steps you can try to resolve the issue. First of all, you will need to check your IP address and disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, it may cause location verification issues. So you will need to disconnect from your VPN and ensure that your IP address matches your actual location. If you are connected to your system VPN, you can disconnect it by going to the settings of your device, and in the settings page, tap on the search icon at the top right, and in the search bar type in VPN. Now search for it. You'll be able to get the search results at the bottom. Here tap on this VPN, and again you will need to tap on this VPN option. By doing so, here you'll be able to see the VPN. Tap on the VPN, and at the bottom you'll see the disconnect button. Tap on it. Now the VPN will be disabled. After that, you'll also need to clear the cache and cookies on your device. For that, you will need to first go to the settings page, and in the settings page, here you will need to scroll to find the application option. Once you find the applications, tap on it to open it, and under it here you'll need to scroll all the way down to find the YouTube application. Once you find the YouTube application, tap on it to open it, and inside it here you'll be able to get various app information. Scroll down to find storage option. Tap on storage, and once you reach to the storage page, here at the bottom right you'll be able to see the clear cache option. Tap on your clear cache, and now your cache will be cleared. After that, you will need to go and check if that solves your problem. Also, you will need to ensure that you have the latest version of the YouTube application. To check that, you will need to first open the Google Play Store of your device. And once you open it, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, type in YouTube. Now you can search for it. Once you find the app icon, tap on the app icon to open it. And here inside, if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on the update button in order to update the YouTube application. But if you didn't see the update button, that means you have already updated your application. After that, you will need to try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Alternatively, you can also use a different device in order to sign up for YouTube Premium. If the issue still persists, you will also need to ensure that location services are enabled for YouTube app. For that, open your device settings, and in the settings page, here look for the application option, and once you find it, tap on it to open it, and inside here find the YouTube application. Tap on the YouTube application, and in this app information page, here look for permissions option. Once you locate it, here tap on the permissions, and here make sure it has permission to access your location. If you find this location in this not allowed section, you will need to tap on this location, and here you will need to choose allow only while using the app. Once you select it, now you have grant permission to YouTube. After that, you can go ahead and check if that solves your problem. If the problem persists after trying these steps, you can try contacting YouTube support for assistance. For that, you will need to open your YouTube application. Here make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and in this page here scroll down to find help and feedback option. Tap on it, and in this help section here either you can search for help or send feedback. You will need to provide details about your location and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. After that, YouTube will review your problem and help you to solve it. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the we couldn't verify your country error on YouTube Premium. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.